2026 Lexus RX Hybrid. The automotive world is abuzz with excitement as the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid makes its grand entrance. This new model is a testament to Lexus's commitment to luxury, innovation, and sustainability. In this article, we will explore the various aspects of this remarkable vehicle, from its cutting-edge technology to its elegant design. Join us on this journey as we delve into the details of the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid and discover why it is capturing the attention of car enthusiasts around the globe.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
The Elegance of Design. The 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid is a true masterpiece in automotive design. With sleek lines and a bold stance, it exudes sophistication and style. The designers at Lexus have meticulously crafted every curve and contour, ensuring that the RX Hybrid stands out on the road. The front fascia is adorned with the iconic spindle grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it a distinctive look. The overall design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also improves aerodynamics, contributing to better fuel efficiency. A peek under the hood. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid boasts an advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a gasoline engine with electric motors. This innovative system delivers a seamless driving experience, offering both power and efficiency. The hybrid technology allows for smooth acceleration and quiet operation, making every drive a pleasure. Lexus has also incorporated regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while driving, further enhancing the vehicle's eco-friendly credentials. Interior comfort and luxury. Step inside the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid, and you're greeted with a world of luxury and comfort. The interior is a harmonious blend of premium materials and modern technology. Soft leather seats provide exceptional comfort, while the spacious cabin ensures ample legroom for all passengers. The dashboard is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display and intuitive controls. Whether you're embarking on a long journey or a quick trip, the RX Hybrid offers a serene and luxurious environment. Cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances both convenience and safety. The vehicle is equipped with an advanced driver assistance system, which includes features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work seamlessly together to provide a safer driving experience. Additionally, the RX Hybrid offers a host of connectivity options, including smartphone integration, wireless charging, and a premium sound system, ensuring that you stay connected and entertained on the go. Performance and efficiency. The performance of the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid is nothing short of impressive. The hybrid powertrain delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, allowing for spirited driving while maintaining excellent fuel economy. With multiple driving modes to choose from, including an all-electric mode for short distances, the RX Hybrid adapts to your driving style and preferences. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for both city commutes and long road trips. Sustainability and environmental impact. Lexus is committed to sustainability, and the 2026 RX Hybrid is a testament to this dedication. The hybrid technology significantly reduces emissions, making it an eco-friendly option for environmentally conscious drivers. Lexus has also incorporated sustainable materials in the vehicle's construction, further minimizing its environmental impact. By choosing the RX Hybrid, you're not only enjoying a luxurious driving experience but also contributing to a greener future. Safety features. Safety is a top priority for Lexus, and the 2026 RX Hybrid is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. In addition to the advanced driver assistance system, the vehicle includes a robust set of airbags, a reinforced body structure, and stability control systems. These features work in harmony to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Lexus has also introduced innovative safety technologies such as pedestrian detection and blind spot monitoring to enhance overall safety on the road. Customization options. Lexus understands that every driver is unique, and the 2026 RX Hybrid offers a wide range of customization options to suit individual preferences. From exterior paint colors to interior trims, you can personalize your RX Hybrid to reflect your personal style. Lexus also offers a variety of optional packages, allowing you to add features such as a panoramic sunroof, upgraded audio systems, and advanced navigation. With these customization options, you can create a vehicle that truly feels like your own. The driving experience. Driving the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid is an experience like no other. The vehicle's responsive handling and smooth ride make it a joy to drive on any road. The hybrid powertrain provides ample power for acceleration, while the well-tuned suspension ensures a comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the RX Hybrid offers a refined and enjoyable driving experience. It's a vehicle that inspires confidence and makes every journey memorable. Final thoughts. The 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid is a remarkable vehicle that combines luxury, performance, and sustainability in one elegant package. With its stunning design, advanced technology, and commitment to the environment, it sets a new standard for hybrid vehicles. Whether you're drawn to its eco-friendly credentials or its luxurious features, the RX Hybrid is sure to impress. As it makes its debut, it is clear that the 2026 Lexus RX Hybrid is not just a car, it is a statement of innovation and excellence.